Okay, what we got is a 2024 Ford F-250 Super Duty. All right, I'm putting wheel well liners in the rear. Here is one. I already did the driver's side, and we'll come over here and we'll let you see what it looks like without it. That's what it looks like without it, okay? Main reason I'm doing it for two reasons. One's for looks, but the other reason is to protect it, because it's aluminum, riveted construction, and I'm worried about corrosion from rocks, you know, smashing off the underside of that. I don't know.
This is the directions.
Well, it tells you to go there, okay? It tells you to go to, you know, on the internet. But anyways, it doesn't exist for this, so I'm going to show you. All right, but what you got to do, they give you, for the set, they give you some hardware. They give you buttons, screws, and screw anchors, okay? 3 buttons per side, 2, 3, 2 anchors, or 3 anchors, and 3 screws. Screw takes 7 millimeter, okay? Now when you look here, these go in, there's oval spaces, but there's 2 different size oval spaces, okay? Let me show you. They're little. There's a small variance in size, but there is a difference. Okay, you see, here's the ones here at the lower edge. Here's another one up here. Just eyeballing it, they look like they're the same, but they're not. This is smaller. The screw anchors don't go there. They go in the lower one, so they go in very easy. So I'll put this one in. It just pops in. That's one. Second one goes in the front of the wheel well on the inboard side, right there. That's number 2. And then the third one goes to the rear, and it's also on the bottom. Yeah, they look the same, but they're not. See, there's that one, and then there's the bigger one. It's a little fatter. You can tell with your finger when you shove it in there. There's definitely a different size. And there's that one. Okay. Here, Dee Dee, you can handle that.
Yep.
This goes in real easy. The fenders are this is the right-hand side. Right hand from sitting in the driver's seat. That's how you always go by, not from standing in front of the vehicle and looking. So as if you're standing or sitting in the driver's seat, this is the right-hand side. All right, what I did on the other side, I just shoved it in there like that. I started at the rear. The other one went in like super cake. This one's gonna give me some guff. There we go. Just tuck it up under the wheel lip. Okay. So now we put the clips in for the buttons. One buttonhole here to the rear of the wheel well liner. This one goes up here. Oh, come on, you.
That looks like it's
got to come down. And the other one just like popped right in.
Here it is. Now you're good.
drop it. That's 2. And the third one over here. There we go. And then these are 7mm.
And you got
You
that
could use a driver. I'm just going to use a little ratchet. I should have left it out of my pocket.
Yes, you should have.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You could use a driver, an electric driver or something. I just happen to have this handy. You don't have to smoke it down either. Just snug it. That's good for that one. Oops, sorry. I gotta take my glasses off. Yeah, these, you'd think on a $60,000 truck or more, yeah, this would come standard. The body's aluminum. Everyone's like, oh, aluminum doesn't rust. No, it don't rust, but it corrodes. I don't know how this is annealed or anything like that, but it looks like it's coated, but the rock chips it'll defeat that with time, and then you'll get corrosion. You'll get corrosion, and then you're screwed. But yeah, you can see it's riveted construction.
Where's the last
bed.
one at?
Last one goes right there.
Down there.
Yep.
Well, I don't know if people need to see you actually screw that down.
Yeah. Well, this is live time instead of stop action. Doesn't take long, and this one's actually harder than the other side. It's still easy, but this one, the other one, it just popped right in. There we go.
Okay, all done.
All done.
So, there you go.
And if you're ordering a new truck, just get them when you buy the truck, like order it, because it's actually a little cheaper. So that's another big lesson too. All right, see ya.